Hi guys, Manish Lakhera this side from EMS Lifesaver, and today I'll be speaking about the golden hour. You know why? Because it is very important for you to understand if you really want to achieve up to 90% of survival or outcome of your loved one or any unknown patient in any critical emergency, right? So guys, have you ever noticed why your doctor used to say, and of their great efforts, just keep it in mind, and of their great efforts, they used to explain, boss, कुछ time पहले लेके आ जाते तो कुछ कर सकते थे. Even they do not feel good about your loss. Why they will feel good about it? They are here to save your patient's life. But you know what? This is not their fault. Somewhere it is our fault because we do not take initiative to understand this. So, here it becomes very important for you to understand the principle of golden hours. You know what? Golden hour is the first 60 minutes after any injury or any acute symptom like chest pain, maybe due to heart attack, or any paralysis attack, maybe due to brain attack, or we can say stroke in medical. So guys, believe me, here your quick treatment in the golden hour can really lead to the great changes in patient outcome. Listen guys, I will elaborate it case wise. So now I'm going to explain all the cases one by one, just to make sure end of the video you must be aware about golden hour principle, and you should understand why we should transport our patient to the hospital within that stipulated time. Okay, so very first case is road traffic accidents. In road traffic accidents, you will find polytrauma patients, multiple injured patients, severely injured patients. Okay, there are chance of internal bleeding, and in couple of minutes the person might land into cardiac arrest due to huge bleeding, okay, or may die before reaching hospital. So here, quick transportation of these patients to the right hospital for stabilization and for their definitive treatment is very important, and it can really mean a change in their life and outcomes. So guys, if you want to transport such kind of patient to the hospital in a golden hour, before giving your first aid, you should activate 108. You know what happened? Till the time your ambulance is on the way, you can provide your first aid, whatever I will teach you in my upcoming videos. But right now, what you have to do, why you should activate ambulance services, why you should transport that patient to the hospital, because it can reduce the time of assessment and treatment, which will be done by your doctor at hospital. Okay, and one thing you should not forget, there is one death every 4 minutes due to a road accident in India. So you never know कि आपके सामने कब किसका एक्सीडेंट हो जाए और आपको वहां पे फर्स्ट एडर का रोल निभाना पड़े. एंड जब आप वहां पे फर्स्ट एडर का रोल निभा रहे हो तो आपको अपनी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पता होनी जरूरी है कि कहां पे आपको फर्स्ट एड देना है, कहां पे एम्बुलेंस को बुलाना है और कितने टाइम में उसको हॉस्पिटलाइज करना है. ओके, एंड सिमिलरली वी हैव अनदर केस, acute stroke patient, or we can say brain attack patients. The time of onset of symptoms is very critical for that matter. You know what? Within 3 to 4.5 hours, if you transport that patient to the stroke ready hospital, means CT scan, MRI facility should be there, and neurosurgeon should be on board. You know what? It can really help doctors to give the right kind of treatment, whether it is surgical or medicated treatment. Okay? Trust me guys, it can mean the difference between health and disability for these patients. And अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि बॉस, स्ट्रोक का पेशेंट का सिम्टम्स क्या होते हैं, कैसे पहचानते हैं इसको? मेरी आने वाली वीडियो को जरूर देखना जहां पे मैं स्ट्रोक के बारे में स्पेशली बात करूंगा. ओके, नाउ सिमिलरली वी हैव अनदर केस, acute chest pain patients, or we can say heart attack patient, cardiac emergency patient. You know what? The patient who had developed heart attack, how you will find out heart attack patient? That I will explain you in my upcoming video regarding cardiac emergencies, how to find out heart attack. Anyways, once you are done with that recognition part, so here time is very crucial factor for that matter. Time is muscle over here. Are you getting my point? So time of onset of symptoms to the time of reaching to the hospital is extremely critical. You know what? within 60 to 90 minutes of symptoms onset, the cardiac muscle start to get damaged. And within around 6 hours, the affected muscles can get irreversibly damaged. Hence, timely hospitalization for this patient is very important. So it's your responsibility to take that patient within golden hour to the right kind of hospital. So guys, this is the relevance of golden hour and quick treatment in the golden hour. Okay, so now we will talk about platinum minutes. Platinum minutes are not different. Platinum minutes are a part of golden hour. The starting 10 minutes of golden hour we call platinum minutes. You know what? If you know how to recognize the emergency, how to activate ambulance services, how to provide right kind of first aid, you have to finish all these 3 points within that platinum minutes. And immediately you have to transport your patient to the hospital with ambulance services just for the better outcome. Okay, you know what, it really helps to get the difference between health and disability, life and death, happy home and broken families. Personally, I believe in the golden hour. I respect the golden hour and platinum minutes. I feel that right intervention at the right time can lead to the miraculous changes in the patient's outcome.